Hello and welcome, Greg here from Motormatch Stoke. Today in stock we have this lovely looking Toyota CHR crossover available here in a sought after XL trim and powered by a 1.8 petrol hybrid engine and finished in a striking white colour. In the front you enjoy these gorgeous LED headlights with LED daytime running lights, and there are even front and rear LED fog lights when visibility drops, whilst around the side contrasting 18-inch alloy wheels in 10 double spoke will look gorgeous. In the rear there is even full LED taillights available and a practical boot which can accommodate 60-40 split seats for more space. Inside the cabin you get full leather upholstery with seating for 3, as well as 2 ISOFIX shed anchor points, and in the front there are decorative door and dash inserts with front sport seats that will really hug you in and offer plenty of adjustment electrically. The driver can look forward to operating this leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel as well as the colour TFT screen up ahead, but the real treat is this floating infotainment touchscreen which can accommodate Bluetooth as well as music needs, various trip information and additional apps, whilst built-in sat-nav will ensure you never get lost. There's even a rear view camera complemented by front and rear sensors, and down below there's 2-zone climate control with heated front seats with 3-state setting. This has been a presentation of the used Toyota CHR XL that is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today.